Hello! Welcome to our first podcast.
So today we have a guest from the Philippines. Three of them are from Philippines. So yeah,
And today we're going to ask them a few questions about Indonesia, about our school, and Indonesia culture. Without further ado, let's move on to the questions. Okay. Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
Before we start, can we
yeah.
ask your name?
Can you introduce yourself
Yeah.
first?
Okay, selamat pagi, nama saya Paula. Selamat pagi, nama saya Eunice.
Selamat pagi, nama saya Daniela.
And my name is Efraim Cristiano.
My name is Rizky Mawat Villa, but people usually call me Villa.
Okay, so let's move on to the first questions. The first question is, what is the process from Philippines to Indonesia, and what's the difference between Indonesia and Philippines, like the school and culture?
To give a brief background, we had a CE teacher program in our school, which is a Southeast Asian exchange program for the teachers, because it is a program in which we are exchanging other students from different Southeast Asian countries, and luckily our school is chosen by the program, and then we tried and to apply, and at first we got rejected, but thankfully we had the chance and the opportunity to reapply for the third time and got approved, and it was really a long journey to just get here in Indonesia. And I can say that it is a great privilege to be here in Indonesia. And I think between the culture of the Indonesia and Philippines, I think I can say that it is very similar. It's just really the language that makes it different. And once we get here, we just it feels like it's Philippines. Everything, the traffic, also the people,
Yeah,
we can
yeah.
see it's very similar also.
Okay.
Yeah.
How about you, Miss Eunice?
So another difference is of course the food. So the food here are more spicy. The people, our local Indonesian, tell us to try this. It's not spicy, and then when we try it, it's actually really spicy.
That's how
So
people think.
what more if it's spicy for them? It will be more spicy for us.
Okay.
And yeah, similar with what Daniela said, everything is really similar to the Philippines, especially in Manila. So once we arrived here, when the traffic, the transportation, the buildings, the weather, of course, everything is similar. Also the faces of the people. So we have similar faces.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
some of the Indonesian are talking with us with Bahasa Indonesia, thinking that we can speak, and then we will
Indonesian,
like
yeah.
say we don't
Yeah.
know. They keep asking us.
Yeah, they thought they were
yeah.
Indonesian.
Yeah,
Okay.
because we look alike.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, I agree.
How about you?
They already said everything.
Okay. Then-
Yeah.
What is your favorite food from Indonesia?
For me, tahu. I like
Tahu. Okay.
Yeah.
Tofu.
It's
Yeah.
great.
Yeah.
So yeah.
How about you?
Mine is seblak. I like
Ah,
the seblak.
yeah, seblak.
Yeah, I like the
Yeah.
spicy. It's similar to hot pot.
How about you, Miss Dan?
I like the nasi padang because I like the curry
Ah,
and
yeah,
also
yeah,
the
yeah. I love-
vegetables inside.
Yeah, I love nasi
Yeah.
padang.
How about terang bulan? People are usually love terang bulan so much.
Do you ever try?
No,
Not
not yet.
yet.
Okay.
You should try it.
Let's move on
So
to the next question.
for the next question is, how was your experience during teaching and learning in Indonesia or in this school?
For me, it's just the same in the Philippines. It's just hard because, especially the language barrier between the two countries. Here in Indonesia, English is a foreign language, right?
Right.
Yeah, that's why it's really hard. And in the Philippines, English is a second language, and it's really hard to communicate with each other.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like not a lot of Indonesian.
Yeah,
Can
can
speak
can
English.
speak and
Yeah,
understand English.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How about you too? Is it the same?
Yeah, it's the same. It's really the language that is a problem
Yeah.
or one of our difficulties or challenges in teaching in here because the students they can't understand us. There are some,
Yeah.
but really a few of them
Yeah.
only can speak and understand English. So luckily each class there is someone who can speak and understand.
Yeah.
So they are translating the English
Uh-huh.
with to Bahasa,
Yeah.
and both of them are our translators.
Thank you so
Yeah.
much for the compliment. How about you, Miss?
I think it was very hard because especially that I am teaching mathematics and mathematics indeed is just a hard subject
Yeah.
and
I agree.
That's true.
using English language to Indonesian people teaching mathematics it became a harder task for me
Yeah.
to teach, so I try to use Google Translate whenever I try to explain it to them and use like actions if like this you come by so it can be for them easier because
that's true.
even though some of them understand English but
Most
most of them
Yeah.
don't even know like the basic
Yeah,
English
uh-huh.
so it became a harder task for me to do but it was a fun like experience to
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really fun.
It's
really
Yeah.
So it is just the language barrier.
Yeah.
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 Okay. So let's move on to the next question. So what is the thing that in Indonesia that makes you impressive, like stick to your mind?
Um, I think how the Indonesians preserve their culture.
Mm-hmm.
So as we arrive at the airport, you already can see the culture of Indonesia,
yeah.
the batik. You can already see it
yeah.
there. So I'm really impressed by how the Indonesian people really preserve and really care about their culture.
Mhm.
And
And another thing, one thing I've observed that many girls or women can drive motorcycles.
Oh yeah, that's
Like
true.
I was so shocked. Like whoa! Even the prettiest girl in the world
Use
can do
yeah,
motorcycle.
yeah.
Like an expert can do racing like that.
Oh,
Like
okay. So there's none of them in the Philippines.
in the Philippines, it's few.
It's kind of rare.
Most of the drivers there are men.
Okay.
Yeah.
How about you, Miss?
I think yeah, same with Miss Eunice on how they showcase their culture because in the Philippines there are so few like a museum that you can see all the culture.
Okay.
Unlike here, you can go anywhere and
We got
have
a
a
lot,
big
yeah.
museum to
Yeah.
showcase everything. And I am really so amazed on how big your museum is. Our
Yeah,
museum
it
is
is.
just
Yeah.
like this. You
So
can
big.
travel
So
it
Uh-huh.
just 30
huge.
minutes. And here you will travel like an hour or two. You walk an hour or two for you to see everything.
Mhm.
So yeah, that's it.
And another thing, one thing I have observed is each and every room has a frame of the president. I think.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, it is.
President
Yeah.
and the
Vice
vice president.
Yeah.
Pancasila.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it is. It's
So
a must
patriotic
for Indonesia,
country.
for school in Indonesia.
Yeah.
It's a must.
Yeah.
So for the next question, by the way about teaching, is there any different how they teach in the Philippines and in here Indonesia?
I think there is because in the Philippines we have like a flow to follow. Like we have like an objective or we have to follow a certain points that we need to do at the end of our class. And I think when it comes here, you just have to go with the flow
Mhm.
and everything, and also like you have to make it more interactive for them to also participate with you. Unlike
Yeah.
with us, we have to prepare it like a whole week for you to present your materials, and we have to really make a good games, a
Mhm.
big
Yeah.
instructional materials.
Yeah.
Just we have for them to just participate. And
Yeah.
unlike here, I can see that even though like we have few just materials, I can see that they are very participative with everything.
Oh,
Maybe
okay.
can I add it? Because in Indonesia we have like a project every for this curriculum we have projects. So if we have another activity, it will be tired for us.
Oh, I see. So another difference is, of course, in the Philippines, English is our second language, right? So we use English as a mode of instruction. So our teachers teaches us most of the subjects in English, we only use our language, Filipino language, when we're teaching or learning about Filipino and also Araling Panlipunan. So Araling Panlipunan, it is about the history, the
Oh,
culture,
okay.
traditions of
Oh,
Philippines.
it's like PKN in Indonesia, maybe.
Yeah, it's like Pancasila. It's called Pendidikan Pancasila. It's about our country.
History also.
Yeah, but it's kind of different with history. It's all about the Indonesian rules and everything.
For the whole.
Yeah,
For the nation.
Yeah.
For the nation.
Yeah. Okay, so the next question is, you got any message or impression to the student, all of the student and teacher in this Wijaya Kusuma or UHAMKA?
For me, I think, what message?
Take it slowly. Take it slowly.
Okay, I'll start. Okay, so for the message for all of the teachers, thank you so much for welcoming us with warm arms and always treating us breakfast.
Salamat.
And
Yeah.
everyone is
Sarapan.
Sarapan.
Yeah,
sarapan.
And everyone is really kind to us and really, they always greet us. Hello, my friend. So they always try to speak in English, even though
it's our basic culture
Yeah.
to be a good people.
Wow.
Very hospitable.
very hospitable
Yeah.
people here in Indonesia.
For the students,
Mhm.
we really appreciate them for communicating with us, especially
Yeah.
they keep trying hard to speak in English.
Yeah.
Even they use Google Translate and use Indonesian to Filipino word, and
Mhm.
they will like
Reading,
reading
yeah.
Filipino translations
Reading.
for us.
Mhm.
Yeah, we really love that about
Okay, thank you so much. How about you?
I think for the teachers, I really want to say thank you because you make our lives easier
Yeah.
here in Wijaya. Because you make us feel that we're also teachers here, so we don't feel like, oh, we want to go home to Philippines.
Yeah,
We
yeah,
feel
yeah.
that we are part here, and also for the students that I really thank them for participating, even though I know it is hard for them to communicate with us in English, but I appreciate that they really trying their best to just to get to know us,
Yeah.
and also for them also to give the information that we need about Indonesia for us to
Mhm.
know what places to go, what
Yeah,
food
yeah.
to eat,
Yeah.
and also I really love communicating with
So
the
it-
students. Yeah.
It's so comfortable
Yeah,
for
it's really, it feels like home
Yeah,
for
it's-
us.
Yeah.
Well, thank you for the comment.
Thank you for you guys
We will
teaching us.
miss, we will
Ah.
miss Wijaya Kusuma.
Yeah.
We're going to miss y'all too.
Oh.
Oh, this is already the last question. We're gonna miss you guys. So for the last question, do you have any advice for all of us?
Advice
Yeah, for the students or the teachers.
for the student and teachers.
Take it slowly. Take it slowly.
Yes.
We're still thinking about advice.
Else card. I think
Okay.
because we're teaching grade 12 and most of them are going into their college, I think you have to enjoy the college because it will be the last journey, and then you will now be working after that. I think you have to enjoy learning, and of course the English. I think
Yeah.
you're already good at English, so improve
We
it.
need to learn more
Yeah.
about English.
Watch English
Yeah.
movies,
Yeah.
read English books so that you'll be able to learn about English and expose yourselves to
Yeah.
English more so
Yeah.
that you
So we can
practice
connect
it.
to other people in
Yes.
the world.
And then do not be afraid in speaking English because I
Oh.
noticed
Yeah.
that some of the students they are afraid of speaking in English
Yeah.
because their classmates will
They are
mock them.
whispering.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
so
right. That's
don't
right.
do that. Don't mock your classmates
Yeah.
when they are trying to speak English.
Yeah.
Almost all of them it's scared to speak English.
Yeah.
That's why they always ask me like, can you translate it?
Yeah, it's the same for me.
Yeah.
I
Can you
think
translate
But
me
I
this?
know,
Can you
I know
translate
that
me
they
that?
know what they want to say
Yeah,
in English.
they just afraid to
Yeah,
ask.
just
Yeah.
afraid.
I told them to like ask for yourself, ask them to yourself, and then like, no, I don't want that. I don't want it. Yeah, I'm
They're
too
afraid.
afraid. Yeah.
don't be afraid. You don't have to be ashamed because after all, English is not your second or first
Yeah.
language.
Yeah,
So
that's
it's totally normal that there's lapses,
Yeah.
grammar lapses, so that's
Yeah.
normal.
That's okay. You don't have to pressure yourself.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Take it gradually, and you
Yeah,
will learn
slowly
it.
by slowly.
Yeah.
Okay, so there's three advice. First one is learning the English, and then do not be afraid, right?
Yeah.
And then take it slowly by slowly.
And practice makes perfect.
Yeah,
Yeah.
practice make perfect.
Yeah.
Okay. For the last one, can you teach us a few words in Philippines?
Oh yes.
What word
What
do
word?
you want?
Like terima kasih.
Salamat.
Salamat
po.
Okay, so can we together say the
okay.
salamat po?
Okay.
Okay, yeah. 3, 2, 1.
Salamat po.
Okay, thank you for
Thank you so
thank
much
you
for the love you guys.
We're going to miss you all.
Yeah.
We're gonna miss
It's
you.
a-
Us
also.
too.
Yeah.
We enjoyed everything. So yeah, we thank you, Vijaya Kusuma, for
Yeah.
accommodating
Yeah.
us, for accepting
Vijaya
and
Kusuma.
accommodating
Yeah.
us during
It's
our
kinda
stay.
Yeah.
I hope you guys can come to here again
Of
sometimes.
course.
Yeah, we will.
We
Like
will.
Like maybe to Bali or
Yeah.
Jogja.
Yeah.
Bandung.
You guys need to explore the Indonesian
Yeah.
culture more.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because it is fun.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's it. And thank you Sobat Wiku for watching the videos, and don't forget to
Like, share.
Subscribe.
and join us in
Jaya
Jaya Kusuma. Bye.
Bye, dadah.
Thank you all.